and welcome back. Today we're going to be learning about the letter B. We're going to make the letter B alphabet soup. Are you ready to get started? Let's see what we have. Let's look at our letters first. This is an uppercase B. Can you repeat that? Uppercase B. And this is a lowercase b. Lowercase b. Let's look at our special ingredients for today. We have buttons. Buttons. Do you have any buttons on your shirt or your jeans? Buttons. Let's give that a stir. Let's see, what else do we have? What is this? Bicycle. Do you have a bicycle at home that you like to ride? Bicycle. What about this fruit? It is a banana. Banana. Banana starts with the letter B. Let's give that a stir. Let's see what else we have. We have a book. Book. Book starts with the letter B. Give that a little stir. And let's see what our last ingredient is. Our last ingredient is a ball. Ball. Can you say ball? Good job. Let's give that a stir. And now let's review, boys and girls, by going over what we've learned today. What starts with the letter B? Do you remember? We had a book. Book starts with the letter B. We had a ball. Ball starts with the letter B. Bicycle. Bicycle. Bicycle starts with the letter B. We had a banana. Banana. Banana starts with the letter B. We had buttons. Buttons starts with the letter B. And of course, we had our letters, lowercase b and uppercase B. And those, boys and girls, were ingredients that helped us make our alphabet soup, letter B. Do you know anything else that starts with the letter B? Thank you for joining me today to learn, and I'll see you next time. Bye.